Welcome everybody to another weekly price analysis on crowns. Don't forget that crowns is a native token of the Seascape network, crown. So when you are coming to CoinMarketCap to search for this token, you shouldn't search for Seascape, you should be searching for CWS or crown so that you don't find another coin. Look, you can see the logo here, crowns CWS. So back to crowns. Last 2 weeks or last week, I did a video on crowns, and we did price analysis, and we were saying it's good on crowns is good for long term hold based on some conditions, uh, which I gave in the video. I'm going to rephrase that a little bit. So currently, crowns is ranked at number 715 on CoinMarketCap, and it's on over 5,088 watch list. It means over 5,088 people have added it to their watch list, just like I have added here. So very soon, the number is going to increase. So this cryptocurrency is a token, and cryptocurrencies are divided into two classes, either coins or tokens. So this one here is a token. So coins are the ones that owns their own blockchain, and tokens depends on leveraging on other blockchains. So currently, Crowns leverages on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain to run their gaming network. So the Seascape gaming network is a very wide ecosystem, and it has a lot of intrinsic value. Like I keep on saying, this is their website and their explorers on Binance, both Binance Smart Chain and Binance Smart Chain and a Tascan. That shows you that they are dependent on those two blockchains. You can join their communities here on Twitter, Reddit, and you can chat with them on Telegram and on Discord. This is the source code to add this to your website, their price to your website, and please make sure you read their white paper. On Ethereum, their appropriate smart contract is this and more. There are more smart contracts on Binance Smart Chain, which is still the same on Ethereum, same address on Ethereum. Binance Smart Chain is helping to scale Ethereum network. So it's a gaming blockchain, and it's in an ecosystem of collectibles and NFTs. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. So in the last 24 hours, the coin also has a market cap of 28 million US dollars, and in the last 24 hours, the trading volume, the amount of trades that have been going on in that market is about 4.6 million US dollars. So I remember I said last time that it's only 10% of CWS token that's minted, which is about 988,000 currently. So out of almost 10%, not exactly 10%. So if you have that remaining 12,000 to complete this at 1 million, that will be exactly 10%. So this is approximately 10%. So a coin that has a maximum supply and a total supply, note this, that not all coins have maximum and total supply. So the coins that has maximum supplies are the coins that are deflationary. So the ones that does not have maximum supplies are inflationary. Being deflationary simply means that this cryptocurrency cannot be more than 10 million. Another example of a deflationary cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million. They can never be more than 21 million Bitcoin in the world. The same thing applies here. They can never be more than 10 million CWS in the world. That is for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a big community, and it's worth thousands and thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. Currently about 60,000 or 57,000 when last I checked. And it's having a circulation of about 18 or 19 million out of 21 million. And crowns, as you see, this is a very good opportunity. Crowns is less than half of the volume or the maximum supply that Bitcoin has, and it is still this cheap. This is, you can spend only less than $30 to buy this on the exchanges which is trading. So this is a very nice opportunity. Anytime you see the dip, you keep on buying the dip, keep on buying, because this is a real opportunity. I don't want to go into this again on my video, because I did this on my last video. I'm going to put it on the link in the description for you to watch what Seascape network and crowns are. But you can use your crown tokens to buy games and services on the Escape store, and you can use them to stake in Seascape DeFi to earn competitive yield, mint and trade Seascape standard NFTs. You can create a player created coins backed by Crown, which is your NFT, and validate the Seascape network and secure the Seascape chain. And you can also trade this Crown token in exchanges and profit from your time spent in the Seascape. So I'm not going, this is not what I'm really here to do today. But let me tell you where you can buy crowns. You can buy crowns on the CWS Ethereum pool on Uniswap. This is the smart contract address. I don't want to go into more. Let me just show you the market where you can buy it. So if you come down here on CoinMarketCap and you click markets, after the overview, you see where it is currently listed. It is listed on Ascend EX, which is also known as Bitmax, CWS USDT. Also on Uniswap, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, OpenOcean, One is Exchange, OpenOcean, Bilaxi. Most of them are decentralized exchanges. MXC, Bakery Swap, OX Protocol, OpenOcean. Okay, I've already mentioned OpenOcean. So it's listed on those exchanges, and you can see their liquidity and the confidence in those markets at this other section. So on Uniswap, that's over 1 million trading volume. Ascend EX has over 1 million trading volume. And on other places like PancakeSwap, which is on Binance, it also has a large exchange volume. Bilaxi, the same thing. MXC 305,000. So these are where these coins are trending mostly on the exchanges. So let me go down to the main topic for today, which is the price analysis of CWS. So CWS, this is the CWS Ethereum Pay available on TradingView.com. TradingView.com. I'm going to put the link to this chart on the description of my video so that you can click it and come and go through what I was talking about in the video. So what you are seeing here is the support region. The bottom, should I say, this is the bottom price for CWS. I don't think this coin is ever going to go down to this bottom price, but if it does, you shouldn't ever miss out. So you should look at the bottom price here. It's about 0.0084 Ethereum. So if it ever goes down to that level, you should be buying more of CWS, because this is that would be like one of the all-time low price. This, don't forget about this green candle here. This was the opening price on that day, and don't forget I'm on the 4-hour chart. This is actually one of the most recommended chart for traders to use, and one of the most recommended time frame, 4 hours. Some people use, depending on how you trade, you day trade, long-term trade. But looking at this, we have the support at this level, which is where the price is currently consolidating. The price is consolidating in this channel. So the support level is here, and it has been on the downtrend. Throughout last week, the coin has been on the downtrend, and it is here at a very nice support where you have an opportunity to buy as much CWS as you can. For me, before I go into more of this analysis, I predict that CWS token can reach about $500 for one. If you're interested in buying, and you're buying it as cheap as 28 or 29 or $30, you are going to make a whole lot of money. But this is not a financial advice, you shouldn't forget. So at this is a resistance level. Then don't forget this. Let me explain a little bit of support and resistance. Support is where more people are willing to buy, and resistance is where more people are willing to sell. So at resistance level, we have sellers converging to sell a certain crypto asset or stock in the market, and support level, we have more buyers converging to buy. So at this is a recommended support level where you see the green horizontal line is a support level, and the reason for that is that the price is not really going down again. If sellers coming to sell here, we have more buyers willing to buy at that price. So if we have a bullish force from buyers buying it all the way up, and there is a fundamental news that came into the market, it will drive the price of CWS up all the way up to this level, and that is the next resistance point. So don't forget, in cryptocurrency analysis, technical analysis, that support can also become resistance. So if it hits the resistance, or the resistance can become support, and support can become resistance, depending on how the force is affecting it. If it is a bullish force, the resistance can become support. If it's a bearish force, the support can become resistance. So in this case, if more buyers are coming in at support level, the resistance at this white line is going to become a support. So if you can break this, if the price action can break this, there might be a little bit of retracement. Don't forget, this is just a prediction based on technical analysis. So there might be a little bit of retracement down to this level. The reason why I stopped it at this level is there is a little bit of very weak support here. And don't forget, for your support to be accurate, the price actions from the candles need to touch the horizontal line, or whatever line you're drawing, at least 3 points on it. So this, we can see mine, it touch at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a whole lot. So that shows you that that is a strong support. So if it comes back, if it retraces back after hitting this resistance, it could retrace to as low as this, but this is not a financial advice. It might not retrace depending on the kind of fundamentals that comes in the market. It might hit here, keep on going and going and going and going. So if you don't buy it now that is at a low price, you might miss an opportunity which you might never have again. So here it could retrace down here, but if it retraces and it doesn't go back to this level, to this support level at the green line, I'm going to save this chart so that you can use it to monitor the price action. If it doesn't go down to this, that means is not forming a W pattern. So if it stops here, it's not a perfect W pattern, and that shows you that it is this price. This market is really bullish and it will continue. Once it breaks out of this resistance now become the new support for this asset, and it goes up all the way to the next resistance, and which is actually very weak. It could break that resistance and all the way up, testing up new ATH, new all-time highs, and it will keep on going depending on what fundamental news that comes into the market, like exchange listing or whatever might be affecting the price of this asset. So that is it. The prediction is that in the next few months, we might be seeing another all-time high for CWS in the next few months. Don't forget what few is. Few is from 1 to 3. So in the next few months, this is like CWS is very good for mid-term hold. So if you are interested in doing that, you can do. But I'm going very much long-term on this because this is just the beginning of what we are seeing on TradingView. We'll have more of data when we are listed, when CWS is listed on a lot of centralized exchanges like that has high liquidity like Binance and Huobi Pro, and having this kind of fact about it that it has a maximum supply of 10 million. This asset could go as much as 500 US dollars, can be valued like that. So don't really forget about intrinsic value. Intrinsic value helps the project a lot more than the price. If the project has more of intrinsic value than good price, the price will definitely rise alongside with it. So this is a chance for you. This is a bearish market. You shouldn't miss out on buying this. Don't say I didn't tell you. This is your opportunity now. But this is not a financial advice. I always say this, and that's my disclaimer, so that if anything happens or anything, these are just predictions. If anything doesn't go up against, if my prediction doesn't go as predicted here, it wouldn't come to hold me. But anyways, this is an accurate prediction. This is an accurate analysis, so you shouldn't worry yourself. So this is where I'll end the video for today. Thank you very much. My name is Emmanuel Patrick. See you all on my next video.